Ashna, Ankush. Welcome to
Hi.
Catch Up Talk. Welcome to
Hi.
Social Catch Up. How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. How was the festival for you?
Amazing. Too many
So,
parties, I'm tired.
First thing first, how was being part of Mintra Fashion Superstar season 3, like jury panel? I mean, I love watching your photos, like the pictures that came out. I watched each one of yours. I wear my story, and I loved seeing that. How was it for you? Tell me something about your experience. We'll start with Ankush.
Okay, so I think it was a very cool experience for me क्योंकि मैंने इससे पहले कभी कोई reality show नहीं करा है. I have never been on the set of a reality show, and so this was like and it's the format is so unique. Mintra Fashion Superstar season 3 का जो format है where you only see them virtually, like it is in the real world with content creators की audience उनको सिर्फ virtual world में एक screen पे देखती है. हम लोगों ने भी बिल्कुल वैसे ही इसको रखा, and काफी सही था. मतलब I never imagined that I'd be doing a reality show, but I did, and it felt great.
For Ashna,
I think pretty much like what Ankush said, I also never imagined being part of anything on TV or reality TV. But the whole idea behind Mintra Fashion Superstar is that it's like a talent hunt for the next big digital fashion influencer. And that obviously resonates a lot with us because we create content on a daily basis. So it was a lot of fun. I was very nervous in the beginning, but as the episodes went by, I started having a really good time. And yeah, the panel was a lot of fun. So we used to also have a lot of fun conversations. So yeah, it was really nice overall. And the whole I Wear My Story thing was a very nice concept. So it just helped us share more about our lives and our personal experience, which was also very nice.
yeah, the theme for this edition was very nice. I mean, very close to a lot of people.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm sure, like being part of Mintra Fashion Superstars jury panel, it comes with a lot of responsibility. The ones who are going to be winner, like the one who's going to be the winner, or even the finalists, the contestants, they are the future of how the fashion content creation will happen. So, what was something that you kept in mind while evaluating each one of them, like while picking them, the method you, if you had a method or something you kept in mind? Like, Asha, you
Yeah, sure. I think the whole idea of I Wear My Story is where this actually kind of came in because the whole theme was that. And everyone sent a video around I Wear My Story. And we were looking for fashion plus something that is personal, which is their story. And I think the 12 that we picked were amazing. Like Kusha said, we're very proud of them. And the content they have created from day one has been beyond. Like it was so good, like right from their fashion to the video ideas, the scripts, the music, everything was amazing. And yeah, I think the whole show was just so much fun, and it literally lives up to the whole thing of being real, like a proper real reality show, because everything that you see on that is genuinely us and is genuinely all the creators, like we're all ourselves.
so you had something in mind that these are the points that you were looking for in like while evaluating them.
I think not in particular, just fashion and more of their personality coming through.
Okay. How was it for you, Ankush?
So I think the panelists were such an interesting bunch of different people. Like there were people who were formally educated in fashion. There was Manish Malhotra. There was like all of us were looking for different things. I think as audience also everybody is different. आप जब किसी का content देखते हो तो आप कुछ और ढूंढते हो, मैं कुछ और ढूंढता हूँ. I think that is exactly how we looked at it. I was sitting there as an audience member कि will I interact with this piece of content or not? अगर ये मुझे अपने मोबाइल पे सोशल मीडिया पे दिखता कि नहीं. But eventually I think we were looking at through the course of the show, I was looking for a number of things. One was authenticity. कि क्या आपका content देख के मुझे आपकी personality, is it coming across to me, and do I understand the kind of person that you are, and do I want to engage with your content? Do I want to follow your journey as a creator? Second thing was how well do you listen? Because I think the biggest learning of a content creator is to listen to people, take feedback the right way, and then you know turn it around and do something bigger with it, right? So I think that was what I was looking for कि ये लोग comment से कैसे deal करते हैं. it was so interesting कि जब आप creator होते हैं, जैसे हम लोग को जब comments आते हैं, हमें नहीं पता वो comments कौन कर रहा है, और इस शो पे जब हम comments कर रहे थे उनके काम पर, तो हम audience थे. So it was like an insight into both the worlds, as a creator and as an audience member. So as an audience member, I wanted to see ki, am I being heard when I comment on someone's post? Are they listening to what I'm saying? Are they understanding what I'm telling them? So that was what I was looking for. How well do they listen and how well do they take feedback?
So I agree that MFS is a great platform for fashion influencers, and that's why I was also wanted to understand that how the platform is bridging the need gap in the fashion content creation overall. Like so that's I was saying, Ashna, you've been creating content from fashion content specifically from a decade now, and what do you think that okay, this is changing or this is helping out?
I think Myntra was one of the first people to actually start working with creators on such a large scale, giving us long-term deals and creating content with us on a regular basis. And they have Myntra Studio, which is a completely influencer and creator-led platform, where you can basically watch your favorite creators or discover new creators, create fashion, beauty content, and you can shop while you're watching. Like you can shop what they're wearing, because sometimes you might see something on a model, but when you see it on a person who is more relatable for you, you actually end up buying it, you know? So yeah, so do I. So I get very easily influenced into shopping. So I think that is really nice. And it also helps creators who are just starting out or creators who want to do this long term. It helps give them work, because it's basically giving business to the influencer industry. And I think it's amazing because they started working with creators so long ago and they've just grown with the whole live shopping experience now. So it's really nice.
I feel that what Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3 is doing is providing a great platform, a very, very big platform, and a great opportunity to budding creators. And I was on that show and I would constantly say this on the show, ki, like when we started out, we didn't have this. We didn't have this opportunity, you know, like a platform backing us so majorly and giving us like a contract worth 50 lakh. That's great, especially in the creator business where earning can be very fleeting, and it can also take years for you to reach a stage where brands would, you know, notice you and collaborate with you. But here, even though there's only one winner in the end, there are 12 people being showcased on the show. So when you watch the show, you're already, all those 12 people have been exposed to such a big audience, right? So I think that's incredible that a platform is doing that, because I think that was really that was a really cool thing, and which is why the format of this show is so unique, right? I wish we had this sort of, you know, help when we were starting out. Also, yes, show pe, like people who want to be content creators, they'll get a lot of insights into what it takes to be a content creator. But for people who don't want to be content creators, just audiences, content creators are such a big part of it. Like content is such a big part of everyone's life right now. Like everybody's spending so much time on their phones that it's so interesting for them to see ki what actually goes behind a content creator's, you know, journey, and they also get to see them being real.
And I also hope that the show inspires people who want to get into content creation to do it now. Like, because there are a lot of people who are still apprehensive. So I really hope that it does that.
So I also want to ask, Ankush this first, and then I'll go ahead. And I'd say, so I feel that comic is not everyone's cup of tea, but fashion, everybody has a style of fashion. I have a different style, Ashna has a different style, Kush has a different style, you have a different style. So the first, like as an audience or as someone who have seen people like newbies, first go-to option is like I should be a fashion influencer or I should be a fashion creator. So do you think all this is reducing the value of fashion content creation, or you think that more the merrier? So industry is growing.
See, I feel that to make content is to express yourself. Some people feel comfortable expressing themselves through their style. Some people feel more comfortable doing that through humor, like I started out. And I don't think like anybody is in a position to say ki who should be doing it and who should not be doing it. We can't be like gatekeeping this ki matlab ye aap kar sakte ho aur aap to aise hi kar rahe ho shauq ke liye. आप शौक के लिए भी कर सकते हो, आप सीरियसली भी कर सकते हो. Whatever happens of it will depend on how much you're putting, how authentic you seem on social media. And content creator होने का कोई rule नहीं है ना. There's no formula that you have to fit, right? Like, I mean, a person formally educated in fashion can also be a fashion content creator. Someone with a great sense of fashion but not formally educated in fashion can also be a content creator, right? So, I mean, it's just about what kind of audience you attract and whether or not you can influence your audience into doing something. If you also have a voice, a content creator or influencer में यही difference है कि a content creator with a voice that brands trust with a product, who has a strong enough voice कि अगर वो आपको कोई product sell करने की कोशिश करे तो आपका मन बनेगा वो खरीदने का. That is what an influencer is. So I don't think कि it's a case of more the merrier या सब लोग कर रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I feel that internet is enabling everyone in very different ways, and I think it's great.
Ashna, what do you think?
Yeah, I completely agree. And I think the whole idea of being a fashion creator is where you bring in your personal style, like you said. So no two people are going to have the exact same style. When you pick up a piece, everyone's going to style it differently. And that is what will make you stand out. I think there's always room for everyone in every industry. So it's no such thing as there are too many. And yeah, as long as you are yourself and you bring your own style to your page, then you're good.